Hello everyone, my name is Ayomide Emmanuel Agbola. Welcome to my SQL learning documentary. Today we are moving to partition by. We are still on our window functions, and now today we are looking at the partition by. Partition by simply means grouping grouping our data independently. For instance, in a school, when you are ranking a whole school, we have the first position, we have the second position for the overall school, maybe competition or grade. But when you are saying partition, when you are going to have the records of the whole school with partition, so that means in each class we will have the first position. Class A we have the first position, class B we have first position, class C we have first position. They will have second position, they will have third, they will have fourth, like that for each classes. Whereas in the old school, we have just um a single first position, a single second position, and a single third. Unlike partition where we can divide the whole school into classes and each class have the first, second, third. Now let's quickly go into the query by answering a question that say we should return the query that rank the business owners by age and separate them with their education. So we know what ranking means. Rank means for you to give a ranking to the data. When there is ties, it will skip a number. So we are looking at the question with the BOID, the highest education. That's where we have the education of the BOs, and also we are going to look at the age. The age should be ranked according to the business owner's age. You have to rank it according to the business owner's age. Okay, now we're going to rank over, meaning that every of the BOs should have a result. Every of the BOs should have a result, and having that result should be partitioned. We're going to partition by the location of the BOs, and we are going to, after the location has been partitioned by their location, we are going to order their age with we didn't have maybe descending order, or let's say ascending order. Let's just use descending order from the biggest to the smallest, from the highest to the lowest. And we are going to rename that as that our ranking. We are going to rename it as the, let's say, the education rank. We're going to rename it as the education rank from the BOS table that we have been using, from the BOS table. So what this is telling us is to, what partition by is doing is that maybe you have we have BOs from different locations. We have 10 BOs from Abuja, 10 BOs from Ibadan, 10 BOs from Lagos. It will divide them into their locations and give them their ranking based on each location. Okay, so yeah, the query is now completed. We have selected BO. Okay, this one is not location. We are talking about education. That's highest education. Sorry, highest education, which is the column for the BO's education levels. So we're going to run this one now to see how this thing works. Remember, we are using rank, not dense rank. Rank has ties. When it has ties, it means two entities can have the same ranking. But once they have the same ranking, there will be it will skip the next number to the other number, meaning that if you have first, second, it will skip third to fourth. So that is what ranking does. So we're going to run this and see our result. And in our result, we have the BOID, the highest education, the age, and the education rank. We are ranking based on the education. We have bachelor's degree 44, age 44 is first. Bachelor's degree, age, the next age, we have second. We have 3 second position. And the next one gives us fifth position. I'm sure we understand what it does there. It means the first, second, third, fourth has been the first four entity. So the next one that gives us five is the fifth position when you are talking about ranking. It has ties but skip numbers. Saying about partition is that as we have bachelor's degree, we also have other education level which is levels. Okay, we have college. You can consider college also starts from first position. 47, age 47, first position. And also we have masters here, which is single masters. It also has its own first position. It means that it will give every grouping their own ranking separately. It will give them their ranking separately. Two, no ranking we have two. The ranking will not be the same. The ranking will not be the same. It will have this ranking for this group, this ranking for the other group. So that's what it is, and I think we understand it better with my explanation. Partition by is grouping data into their segment, and each segment has its own independent ranking. It will have your first position for each group, your second position for each group. Not that all the whole group will be merged together and we have a single first position. Thank you.